I what I want to show you here is actually how to connect your Paystack index to Claude, and you can do the same also for ChatGPT. The instructions are here, Open Claude, and even others. So I'm just going to take you through the setup. Now, you must have generated your credential right before starting this. Once you generate it, when you create a new account, you're actually going to see a green button here called generate. And once you create that, you're going to see all this instruction. To actually connect it to Claude is quite straightforward and it's very simple. Just head on to Claude, right? And right here, you will need to go to customize. When you get to customize, you go to connectors. That's loading up. Okay, so ideally I've connected my Paystack index already. So I'm going to disconnect it and I'll show you how to connect it. So it's quite straightforward. So just click connect and okay, so I'm actually gonna so I'm coming back to the connector. So you need to actually copy the Paystack index MCP URL as those are the things. Um, so I want to remove the Paystack index for now. So you click on this plus, add connector, add custom connector. Then you copy the Paystack index name, the MCP URL, paste that here. You don't need to add this. You can just click add and connect. So you must have signed in to your Paystack index because it's going to ask you to connect, just like signing in with Google. So allow Claude. Yeah, that's it. So once you do that, you've actually allowed your Claude to get connections to Paystack index. Now at this point, these are the things that the agent can do. These are the tools, right? Browse merchant directory, find items in merchant, get wallet balance, and all of those things. So ideally for the read-only tools, I choose to always allow. And for write or delete tools, link a merchant, order from a merchant, buy airtime, bills, food, request transfer approval. So for this one, I just make it to actually need approval, but you can also allow all in case you are safe with that. So now let's actually test what we just did. So I'm going to quickly ask it to buy me an airtime. Kindly buy me an airtime. Right. So you will see that I didn't ask Claude to use Paystack. So because the tools are connected, it's going to understand what to use and all of that. So basically, okay, kindly buy me 100 naira airtime to so you need to actually put the number for the 70 61 98. So now let's see if it's gonna work. So if you look at it, it's actually going to look at the tools and all of that. So it says before I proceed, I need one detail. Which network are you using? So my phone number is MTN. Voila, and that's it. And that's how very easy it is. You can also see your balance. So ideally, if you actually create currently, if you create a Paystack index account, you're going to see a button here to accept 1,000 naira credits, free credit actually, so that you can use it to test it. So it's so very wonderful to do. So basically, I implore you to get this. And this is just the beginning actually. There are a lot of things you'll be able to. You can actually buy food through Chodek. Actually, you can buy a couple of things. You can also connect your Zap account, which is some very interesting thing. So let's say we want to buy food. Um, I want to order for rice from Chodek. So let's see if it's going to come up with some available food that we can actually get from Chodek and the prices. Okay, it says Claude wants to use find items, so always allow, right? Always allow for finding or looking for items in merchant tool. So okay, it says it looks like Chodek account isn't linked yet. Yeah, that's the thing. So you actually need to connect those accounts to your Paystack index. So it said to get set up, please share the phone number registered on TrueDeck account and I will connect it right there. So if you have your TrueDeck account, just send it there and all the connections will be done accordingly. So that's very easy. It's an easy thing to just connect your Claude. Now, but there's something interesting. You just can't or you don't need to only connect Claude. You can actually connect many other systems or AI agent that allows MCP server. So for instance, I use Antigravity to build my products. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I use Antigravity to build my product just like VS Code. So it has MCP servers. Look at this place. And if you go to manage MCP servers, I actually connected the Paystack to it. Right, you see Paystack here. So from my coding platform, right, I can actually just tell you that, oh, please help me buy airtime. So if you look at this conversation, you will see that I've actually asked it to do transfer for me, but because I've not connected my Zap account, it didn't go through with it. So from here, because I've actually connected my Paystack index into my anti-gravity system, I can actually buy airtime from this place. I can order for food just from me working or doing my daily job as a software engineer. So this is a very interesting tool. I'm very excited to see this, and I believe many more businesses are actually going to start throwing this out. I mean, it is actually a boot step for Paystack to have done this, right? Bringing on Index is actually a boot step at this point in time, and I'm very excited to see many other things that is going to be possible on this sort of connection. Thank you very much. Um, ciao.